Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Amazon employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Amazon employee login, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as account.amazon.jobs. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. Then here you need to provide your email address to log into your account. You can also log into Amazon using your Google account or your Amazon account. For now, let's enter our email in the text field given for email address. Then press the continue button. And here we need to provide a password to log into our account. So go ahead and type a password in the text field given for password. You can also tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your correct password or not. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on forgot your password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I will be happy to help.